Oli, brah, freestyle section. S-O-U, go. I stay close to the team I know. I pray till my old team blows. I don't care who gon' steal my flows. Reckless love, they can't steal my glow. Shine brighter than Starbucks at midnight. I came for the fame, got hooked to the lamplight. Jehovah weakness, we pushing till it's midnight. Same old flows, now that's the green lights. Mama stay praying, daddy stay open. What's with the 8? They say bro you delaying. Grace got me faced with Jehovah. I can't lose when it comes to rap, I got it from Jehovah. Don't brag about your talent, let them see the glow in you. Soon all these 8 is gon' plead to be following you. That's the truth, I got the proof. Musicology in the booth, no delays, only lesson. Rappers still spitting the truth. Young king don't sleep, we only rest a while. Lost many rap battles, what matters in my mind. State of mind, wake up, nigga, be alive. Reckless love for me, nigga, all the time. You gon' shine when you gon' shine. Stay down till you get up, nigga. You gon' shine when you gon' shine. Stay down till you get up, nigga.